Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Check that JDK is installed and Java Home points to the JDK folder. Then open VS Code and install the Java extension pack. Once done, enable language support for Java. Next, create or validate a launch. JSON or code runner configuration so VS Code knows how to run your project. If you use modules, make sure module info. Java is correct. These steps establish the environment so run attempts won't fail due to missing tools. Now focus on build and class path. Run a Maven or Gradle build to catch compilation errors before VS Code runs the app. Once compiled, inspect. Class path or VS Code settings. JSON to confirm source and output folders match your workspace layout. If libraries are external, add them to module path or class path in launch. JSON. Also, refresh the Java project view and restart the language server so changes are picked up. Doing this prevents runtime class, not found exception, and wrong main class mistakes. To finish, launch the app with F5 or use Run Java on the specific main class. Watch the debug console for startup errors. If you are using modules, add necessary add modules flags or adjust module path in launch. JSON to resolve illegal access or module not found issues. If it still fails, perform a clean build, restart VS Code, and re-import the project. This often clears stale caches. One key troubleshooting tip. Check the debug console and language server logs for the exact exception.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.